Hi everyone! Today, I'll be doing a quick review of a business website called crescentmoonantipolo.com. Ang Crescent Moon Cafe ay isang cozy cafe and pottery studio na matatagpuan sa Antipolo, Rizal. They offer Southeast Asian-inspired food at may mga pottery workshops din where you can relax, create art, and enjoy the nature sa kanilang garden setting. Let's start with the strengths ng website nila. Unique business concept. Hindi lang ito basta cafe, may pottery workshops din. So, it offers a unique experience, kainan at creativity in one place. Attractive website design, simple and clean ang layout. Ang ganda ng mga photos at ramdam mo agad yung warm and artistic vibe ng cafe. Good pottery keyword ranking. Kapag nag-search ka ng pottery, lalabas agad yung website nila. This helps attract people who are interested in art or pottery. For weaknesses or areas to improve. Outdated content. Minsan, di updated ang workshop schedules and events. And this can cause confusion, lalo na sa mga gusto mag-visit or sumali sa workshop. No online store or booking system. Wala silang online shop or option to book workshops directly sa site nila, which can limit sales and convenience. Limited local SEO. Kulang sa paggamit ng local words tulad ng Antipolo Cafe. Iba yung lumalabas, kaya sayang ang chance to reach more local customers. To improve their online visibility, here are some SEO suggestions. Add local keywords. Gamitin ng terms like Antipolo Pottery Workshop o Best in Rizal para mas lumabas sila sa local search result. Create meta descriptions. Gumawa ng clear at catchy descriptions for each page para mas mataas ang chance na i-click ng users sa Google. Lastly, add alt text to images. Maglagay ng alt text sa lahat ng photos para tumaas ang SEO scores at maging accessible sa lahat. In summary, Crescent Moon Cafe websites already gives a good first impression. Maganda ang concept, attractive ang design, and searchable sa pottery topics. But with a few updates and SEO tweaks, mas mapapadali ang user experience and mas lalaki pa ang reach nila online, especially sa mga taga-Antipolo at nearby areas. So that's all for today. Thank you!